well, great. Here AI can help. And, with the likes of Microsoft and Google and so on have done very well when it comes to that. That's great. Now that's on the front end, really behind the scenes. And that's kind of what we're doing, right? Like nobody really sees our work. Like nobody really sees the plumbing of a house again. So behind the scenes, you really just want to make sure that that data that is being created in real time and that's naturally being created through orders or invoices or issues, like we do a lot in the IT service management space. So there's a lot of, issues, tickets, for example, that are coming in on a regular basis. And then making sure that on the other side, team members can actually understand which is a critical issue that I need to focus on and which is not a critical issue. If on the one side, people always want their issue, it doesn't matter how big or small, they want their issue to go away as quickly as possible. So if I've got a password reset request, I may put in urgent because my boss gives me, tells me I really need to have this particular report. Why can't I have this? And I forgot the password. So I need a password reset request. For me, that's very urgent, but really in the scheme of things, that just shows I'm unorganized. That's not an urgent request. It's low to medium at best. Now, and by the way, I'm putting critical in there because for me, this is critical. Now, in the end, how can we make sure that we differentiate that? Because there might be some real issues like security issues or a server has gone down or something else, right? That really needs to be taken care of. So that's where we then deploy AI. And the AI does an analysis of what is actually coming in. It puts a score against that and it semi-autonomously just says, okay, based on everything that I've seen, that is really doesn't like I'm ignoring the fact that it says it's urgent, or I may put it one level higher because of that. But really, for the most part, I'm just looking at the request at face value. And a
Mm.
request of my access token is lost versus that's a security issue potentially versus my password needs to be reset are in completely two different categories. The token lost needs to be deactivated immediately because if that falls into the wrong hands, you've got a significant issue.
Mm.
The password reset can be done well after that in that sort of order. And that's where we really help behind the scenes. Nobody will see that, right? But that's where the systems and tools that are in place at the moment operate too statically. They only operate in the sense of a notification comes in on the one side, somebody says it's urgent, so that means it gets mapped to being urgent on the other side. But it doesn't have to be urgent. Maybe there's more to the story, and certainly in the bigger picture of it,